Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to request extra FBA capacity on Amazon. To check your current capacity, go to the Capacity Monitor page. There are several ways to get there, but the easiest is Menu, Inventory, FBA Inventory, then click the Capacity Monitor button below. Different product types have different limits. For books, the relevant category is standard size. On the left side, you'll see your current usage and total limit. On the right, you'll see your limits for the current and upcoming months. Blue areas represent confirmed limits. Gray areas are estimated and may change. Blue ones are final. In this example, the total limit for the month is 300 cubic feet. Amazon granted 100 cubic feet as base FBA capacity limit, and the seller requested an additional 200. To request extra capacity, click the Go to Capacity Manager button. From here, click Create New Request. Select the month you want to request capacity for and enter the amount. I'm entering 100 cubic feet as an example. For books, 100 cubic feet roughly equals 2,800 to 3,000 books. To simplify, you can estimate with 3,000 books per 100 cubic feet. Set the maximum reservation fee to at least $5. I'll explain why shortly. For the expiration date, I recommend choosing 1 week. Why? Because Amazon reviews these requests twice a week. If your request isn't approved within a week, it's a sign that your reservation fee was too low. You'll need to increase it and submit a new request. That's why setting a 1-week expiration is a smart move. Once you click Submit Request, your request will be active. You'll be able to track your status right on this page. If your request is granted, it means Amazon has approved it. Here's an example. This seller requested 200 cubic feet for May. They set the reservation fee at $5, but Amazon adjusted it to $1.16, based on the lowest accepted fee among all approved sellers. This is why I suggested entering at least $5. Amazon will automatically reduce it to the lowest accepted value anyway. Now here's the key point. For every dollar you generate in sales from the extra capacity, Amazon gives you back 15 cents. In this example, the seller was supposed to pay $232 in fees, but Amazon refunded $232 as performance credits, so they ended up paying nothing for the extra capacity. Let's look at this example here. 67% of this seller's sales came from extra capacity. Their total sales for the month are here. 67% of the total sales is this number. That sales portion is multiplied by 0.15. And since that amount exceeds the fee, it's fully credited back. Another important point. Let's say it's currently June and Amazon has granted you 100 cubic feet based on your IPI score. But you want to send even more products. You can't request more for the current month, but if you request capacity for the following month and Amazon approves it, you'll get early access, meaning you can start using that capacity a month in advance. This way, your current month's capacity effectively increases. Always make sure the auto-cancellation box is checked. Here's why. Let's say I request 300 cubic feet for July. Amazon estimates I'll get 100 cubic feet as base FBA capacity. So I request an additional 200 and Amazon approves it. But then, Amazon raises my base capacity to 300. Thanks to auto-cancellation, the extra 200 I requested gets automatically canceled, and I don't pay anything. This keeps your total capacity consistent while saving you money. These are the most important things to know when requesting extra FBA capacity. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the Bookz Pro Support team. We're happy to help. Hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next one.